Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 3rd and again we have to factorize. First of all, find the factor for 20 which is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors for 20 and these could be positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. This could be minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 and so on. So first of all, put x is equals to 1 in this polynomial which is px. So when putting p is equals to x is equals to 1, so this is 1 cube, this is 13 into 1 square, this is 32 into 1, this is 20. So this is 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. So obviously adding these numbers will not give equals to 0. So now put x is equals to minus 1 because the factor of 20 can be plus 1 or it could be minus 1. So putting x is equals to minus 1, so this is minus 1 cube and this is 13 into minus 1 square, this is 32 into minus 1 and this is 20. So this will be minus 1, this will be 30, this will be 32 and this will be 20. So this and this can be added which is 33 and this can be added which is again equals to 33. So obviously the result comes out to be 0. So obviously x plus 1 equals to 0. So this must be the factor for this polynomial. This is here we are applying the factor theorem. After that you have to divide x plus 1 by x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So obviously we can multiply it by x square because x square is multiplied by x is x cube. X square multiplied by 1 is x square. Now we have to subtract, so changing the sign, this can be cancelled out. 13 minus 1 is 12x square. Sign will remain positive because the greater value has positive sign. After that this can be copied here. So this is 32x. Now we have to make it 12x square. So you have to multiply it with by 12x because 12x is multiplied by x will give 12x square. Similarly, 12x is multiplied by 1 will give again 12x and again you have to subtract, changing the sign. This can be cancelled out. Again positive negative is negative. 32 minus 12 is 20x. Sign again will be positive and now this can be copied here. This is 20. Again you have to make it 20x. So obviously x 20 multiplied by x will give 20x. And 20 multiplied by 1 will give 20. So again this can be cancelled out. Again the remainder is 0. So now we have to split these two. So for that we are splitting the middle term. You have to think of two numbers. Multiplying will give 20 and adding them will give 12. So obviously these two numbers are 10x plus 2x plus 20. So taking 10x as common, this is, and you have to take 2 as common, so this will remain this much. Now 10 plus x can be taken common, so x plus 2 will remain inside the bracket. So obviously these two and this are the factors for this polynomial. So x plus 10 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 are the factors for this polynomial. Thank you.